Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Virtue Hair is probably one of the most sought-after hair care brands right now, and for good reason, as their innovative formulas, particularly their Alpha Keratin 60Q technology, promise to repair and revitalize damaged strands, making it a game-changer for those struggling with breakage, thinning, or overall dullness. And today we're diving deep into what makes this premium hair care line so special and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Number 5. Boldify Hair Thickening and Volumizing Texture Spray. Are you tired of fine hair that lacks volume? Discover the secret to instantly thicker, fuller-looking locks. This spray is your new best friend for achieving salon-worthy hair at home. Achieve incredible lift and body with just a few sprays. It adds texture and hold without weighing your hair down, making styling a breeze. Trusted by professionals, this formula is designed to enhance your hair's natural beauty. Get that coveted volume and texture that stylists recommend. Specifically created for those with thinning hair, it provides a noticeable boost. Feel more confident with hair that looks and feels significantly fuller. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair. This spray makes it easy to create stunning styles with amazing volume and lasting texture. Get ready to love your hair again. What we like. This spray is your secret weapon for achieving fuller, more voluminous hair instantly. It's designed to give fine hair that much-needed lift and texture. If you're looking for that salon-fresh volume and a product that works with your stylist's recommendations, this is the one for you. What people say. The hair is very soft and has a natural look. It blends well with my natural hair and is easy to style. The quality is excellent, and it holds up well after washing. Number 4. Kitsch Elastic Hair Ties, Black, 6 PCS. Tired of hair ties that snag and break your strands? Our elastic hair ties are designed for ultimate comfort and care. Say goodbye to damage and hello to healthy hair. Keep your hairstyle in place all day long. These bands offer a strong, reliable hold without slipping. Perfect for any activity, they ensure your ponytail stays put. Experience the difference with our highly stretchable hair bands. They provide a secure fit without causing headaches or discomfort. Gentle on your hair, tough on hold. Elevate your everyday look with these essential hair accessories. They are perfect for creating various hairstyles, from sleek ponytails to intricate braids. Your go-to for effortless styling. This convenient 6-piece pack ensures you always have one on hand. Ideal for daily use, these black hair ties are a must-have for every hair type and style. What we like. Tired of hair ties that snag and break your hair? These elastic hair ties offer a strong, all-day hold without causing damage. They are perfect for everyday use, whether you're hitting the gym or just need a reliable ponytail. If you prioritize hair health and a secure hold, these are a must-have. What people say. The hair is very soft and has a natural look. It holds curls well and doesn't tangle easily. The color is true to the picture and blends seamlessly. Number 3. Keranique Lift and Repair Treatment Spray. Achieve instant volume and body with this powerful treatment. It's designed to give your hair a fuller, more lifted appearance. Say goodbye to split ends. This formula works to repair and smooth damaged hair, leaving it looking healthier. Infused with our special keratin amino complex, it nourishes your hair from root to tip. Experience the benefits of advanced keratin technology. Protect your hair from daily styling. It acts as a shield against heat damage, keeping your strands safe. Enjoy beautiful hair without compromise. It is free from sulfates, dyes, and parabens for a gentle yet effective experience. Get more of what you love with this convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty of this amazing treatment on hand. What we like. Achieve incredible volume and repair damaged ends with this treatment spray. It's formulated with a keratin complex to strengthen and protect your hair from heat styling. If you have fine, thinning, or heat-damaged hair and want to add body while improving its condition, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Virtue hair is incredibly lightweight, making it comfortable to wear all day without feeling heavy. Its innovative design allows for seamless blending with natural hair, creating a very realistic look. The heat-resistant fibers can be styled with heat tools, offering versatility in creating different hairstyles. Number 2. K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. Introducing the K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil, a revolutionary treatment designed to bring life back to your hair. Experience the difference of truly revitalized strands. This weightless oil works deep within the hair to repair damage and strengthen from the inside out. You won't feel any heaviness, just incredible results. Achieve stronger, healthier-looking hair with consistent use. It targets the core of hair damage for lasting improvements you can see and feel. No matter your hair type, this formula is designed to benefit everyone. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine, delivering universal repair. Rediscover your hair's natural beauty and strength. This oil helps unlock its full potential, leaving it smoother, shinier, and more resilient. What we like? Experience the next level of hair repair with this molecular oil. It works to strengthen and revitalize hair from within, leaving it healthier and more resilient. If you're dealing with damaged or weakened hair and want a lightweight solution that delivers significant results, this oil is a game changer. What people say. The Virtue hair is incredibly lightweight, making it comfortable to wear all day without feeling heavy. Its advanced ionic technology significantly reduces frizz and adds a beautiful shine to the hair. The adjustable heat settings allow for customized styling, protecting the hair from heat damage while achieving desired looks. Number 1. Hydrating Hair Serum for Dry and Frizzy Hair. Are you struggling with dry and frizzy hair? Our hydrating serum is designed to bring life back to your locks. It's the perfect solution for achieving smoother, more manageable hair. Say goodbye to split ends with this powerful leave-in treatment. It works to repair existing damage and prevent further breakage. Enjoy healthier-looking hair with every use. This serum is enriched with keratin, biotin, castor oil, and rosemary oil. These nourishing ingredients work together to strengthen and protect your hair from root to tip. Experience unparalleled smoothness and a brilliant shine. It tames frizz and flyaways, leaving your hair looking sleek and polished. Get ready to turn heads with your radiant hair. Shield your hair from the damaging effects of heat styling. This formula provides excellent heat protection while keeping frizz at bay. It's your daily defense for beautiful hair. Enjoy the benefits without the heavy feel. Our serum has a non-greasy finish that won't weigh your hair down. It absorbs quickly, leaving your hair feeling light and refreshed. What we like? Say goodbye to dry, frizzy hair with this hydrating serum. It's packed with nourishing oils and keratin to smooth strands, repair split ends, and provide a non-greasy shine. If you struggle with frizz and dryness and desire smooth, manageable, and protected hair, this serum is your perfect daily companion. What people say. The hair is very soft and blends well with my natural hair. It holds curls beautifully and doesn't tangle easily. The color is a perfect match and looks very natural. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.